Hi guys, this is Shazia and welcome back to my channel. Today it's a Wednesday and today it's not a very sunny day. It's a bit cloudy day. So it's perfect because the past few days it's been very warm here. So today it's just a cool off time for us. So I'm ready. Imaan's getting ready. We are invited to a dinner today. My sister-in-law called and said if you're up for it, she'll pick us up at 7. And I was doing nothing anyway, sitting down just watching TV, so I said yeah, I'm free. So just waiting for her, and let's see. Surprise, I have no idea where she's going to take us, but I have got a little guess in my mind because of Iman's graduation. I think so, it's kind of a graduation dinner she's doing for us. She does that if it's my birthday or any occasion. She takes us out for dinner or something like that, which is really nice. Sometimes my brother joins in, sometimes it's just bees, the girls, no boys, no Arman's going. So I've just ordered Arman some food from Uber Eats because obviously he was feeling a bit left out. So I was like, don't worry, me and Iman are going, but we'll order you food because obviously if I'm going out, I'm not going to cook at home. So just waiting for her. Let's see. She always takes us to the most beautiful places. So sometimes I like surprises as well. So let's see. Oh, mashallah. I had a little, what's it called again? That it's something like this.
That's so cute. Thank you.
Oh, all these little goodies for you. Mashallah, mashallah. Oh, they made a hamper as well. Oh, with all your favorite stuff.
The camera sees for you.
The teddy bear's so cute. Oh,
Look at it.
thank you so much. It's so cute. It's got one's name on it as well.
Yeah, we got a little bit late. Had to rush to the shop. Totally forgot.
That's it.
Been planning in my head.
Yeah, but it's really cute that at the back of your car you've done it. So nice. We're just deciding to take all these goodies inside before the dinner. So beautiful. They were so nicely arranged. So we are here. It's the Royal Palm today. The dinner's here. The drinks are here. We've got Hyderabadi biryani over here, some naan. What are these? Prawns?
Yeah.
Prawns. Fries, chapli kebabs, our samosas, and butter chicken. Your salads. Let's dig in, guys. We are home. Hello, Pingu. How are you, Pingu? You okay, Pingu? Lying down. Came back and they forgot to give him on something, they're saying. Wonder what. Bless. She remembered it was my birthday as well, so they gave something. There.
I don't know.
Let's see.
Look, I love the present.
Oh. So yeah, we came back up and they had to come round because they forgot to give my birthday present, bless them. So we had a really lovely evening, lovely food, lovely company. And it's nice, you know, when you get out like this sometimes, when it's an occasion, meet with family, have a lovely precious family time. So yes, food was good. I won't say it was really brilliant. There were a few items that were really good and a few items that were okay. The biryani was good. The butter chicken was really nice. Chapli kebab was okay. Chaat was okay. Drinks were good. I can't remember what else we got. We had the prawn bites as well. They were not that good. I didn't like them. No, I've had better. And yeah, but overall it was good. Nice time. And Iman enjoyed herself. And now obviously she's gonna go in her room and start digging into her little presents. And yeah, it was really nice. It was a nice day. Who's here?
What did you eat, Imaan?
Goofy. Goofy baby. We're going to Iman's room to see her goodies. Her nice goodies.
The blue one.
Yeah. So one of the gifts is this
I think the secret one
Labubu
is like the grey one or
with
something.
its little bag and a graduation outfit. So cute.
So
Come
I
on then.
already have one, which is soy milk. Don't record my
Okay,
face
okay.
because I have no makeup on
It's fine.
and my skin is breaking out.
Let's see which one you're gonna get.
Okay, that's great. It just okay.
I think I got it right.
Okay.
It's like a picnic in Iman's room.
Ooh. The pink one.
Let's see. Oh, it's cute. It's
What's
pink
this
one. Let me
one?
see.
It's actually
Which one is it?
happiness. It's like the orangey one.
Oh,
It's the one on the cover.
it's cute.
Yeah. Happiness.
Happiness. Graduation outfit as well. Happiness has.
Yeah.
The graduation outfit of the Labubus. That's so cute. I just put this in here. Okay. We've got this. So cute with the name on it.
What the-
Today.
It's so cute.
Oh my god,
Oh.
name it.
Yeah, let's see the bag. I like the colour black. Black is our favourite colour anyway.
Not
It's
mine.
nice.
I think the colour's purple.
Yeah, I like it, but black is really nice. I really like it. Look at it there.
My hair's so...
So here we've already got the chocolates out, and these are all kind of masks. Lovely, lovely stuff. With all these unique things that Iman loves. Everything was beautiful. Everything is beautiful. Oh, what was in the Pandora one again? Can you show me?
It was earrings.
Butterfly one, isn't it? Cute. I like the color blue. Really nice. Here you go. Waiting to eat this chocolate cake in a bit when we make tea. And Mr. Teddy. Ooh, I'm gonna make some chai.
Chai.
Chai, and I'm gonna have these beautiful cakes. It's time to open my gift. Ooh, money. Extra money to put towards our holiday. Ooh. Nice £50 notes. So there you go. Thank you so much, Sugura, T, Sarah, Isa, for all these beautiful gifts. Iman really liked them, and thank you for my birthday gift as well. And yeah, we had a really lovely day today, and time to log off.
Also, that is not a punch in the wall.
That is not fun. For our birthday, when I did the decoration, the paint came off with the stickers. So there's a little bit here and there. I'm just going to fix it. It's not got to fixing it. But
Luckily, that one's
anyway,
covered, but
our tummy's full. We had lovely food. Just got to make some tea in a bit because Ali's coming back from work soon as well. And Can't resist the chocolate cake, the dessert. And yeah, man, you loved all your stuff as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's so cute. So yeah, it's just a little nice, beautiful thought. The way they presented it as well. Thank you so much for that. That was really nice. And yeah, guys, if you did like the video, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And till the next time, bye.